Hi everybody, शीनम this side. Welcome back to Dialect Ground. So guys, अगर मैं आज के टॉपिक की बात करूं, आज का हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा on the writing. Yes, and how many types are there in the writing? Yes guys, I heard it that sometimes student ask that मैम कितनी टाइप का टास्क आता है राइटिंग में? How many types are there in the task 2 especially? Because in the task 1 we easily get that there's a line graph, maps are there, bar graph is there, but they are a little bit confused in the case of task 2 because they don't want to take the risk, as we all know that task 2 has more band weightage than the task 1. So we are going to work on this in this lecture. So let's start with that how many types are there and हर किसी टाइप में हमें कैसे परफॉर्म करना है अपने टास्क 2 को. So without wasting time, let's start with this. If we consider the types of task 2 writing, so there are multiple ways that examiner give you the writing task 2 question. So we need to figure out that in which type of task हमें कैसे परफॉर्म करना है उसके रिस्पेक्टिव आंसर के अकॉर्डिंग. So we'll focus on that. Guys, if I talk about the types of task 2, I don't know about the other people, other trainers, that how they guide their students, that how many types are there, but I'll guide you in my way and it's going to be easiest way, okay? So do follow that. Okay guys, if I consider that how many types are there in the task 2, one more thing I really want to share, that even if you search on Google, that they also give you 5 to 6 types, but according to me the types of writing task 2 are of 3 way. Yes, there are, guys, I guess 3 type of questions can be come according to the examiner in your writing task 2. Let's move. How many types are there and what are their names? According to me, guys, the task 2 is divided into 3 categories. The first one is the opinion based essay. Let's work on this term, that what is opinion according to you. Guys, opinion का मतलब क्या रहेगा कि आपको अपने point of view से अपने ideas को रखना है examiner के लिए. So whatever you feel that this is according to me, this is my viewpoint, this is my vision, so you need to mention each and everything according to yourself. Now move to the another type, which is the factual writing. Yes guys, it is totally based on the facts. Now what is the meaning of fact, guys? Fact means whatever it is truth, जो भी चल रहा है, जो भी present है, we need to focus on that. So this is all contained like the factual kind of essay. इस ऐसे में गाइज हमें अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू नहीं रखना. सी गाइज, इट इज़ वेरी कॉमन कि हम ही वहाँ पे होंगे जो टास्क को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, बट उसके आइडियाज़ को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करना है वो हमें पीपल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पे चलना पड़ेगा. Either it can go with the people point of view or with the government point of view or with the country perspective. हमें जिस भी पर्सपेक्टिव से वो चीज़ को पूछा गया है हमें एज इट इज़ उस चीज़ को रखना पड़ेगा, जस्ट साइडलाइन आवर ओन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द factual type according to me. What is of task 2? That is the combination. Yes guys, we have done opinion, we have done factual. Now there's a third type which is comes in the form of combination. Yes, in this kind of writing guys, आपको ओपिनियन भी अपना बताना पड़ता है और आपको लोगों का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी रखना पड़ता है अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन एंड व्हाट इज फैक्चुअल रिगार्डिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. So this is the third type that you need to go with, that we call it as a combination. So according to me guys, these are the 3 main parts in which examiner distribute the task 2. The first one is opinion, the second is the fact, and the third one is the combination. अब गाइज अगर टाइप्स अलग हैं तो डेफिनेटली इनको लिखना भी डिफरेंट वे में होता है हमें. सो वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट. सो नेक्स्ट we are going to discuss that. Even these further types are divided into the sub parts. Let's start with the first type, which is the opinion one. अब हम ये चीज को डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं कि ओपिनियन बेस्ड में किस तरह की स्टेटमेंट्स, किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं. Guys, if I take the opinion, as I told you earlier, that opinion means आपकी राय दी जाएगी, आपका व्यू पॉइंट, whatever you feel comfortable, you need to mention your ideas in that. Now, what kind of question that examiner can play with? These are, you can see in your paper, they will give your opinion. See, it's very easy guys, आपको पता चल जाएगा that there is opinion word in that and you is also included in that question. So obviously they are talking about your point of view. So that is give your opinion. आपको अपने अकॉर्डिंग जितने पॉइंट्स, जितने आइडियाज आ रहे हैं उस मेन टॉपिक के ऊपर यू नीड टू राइट इट डाउन. द अनदर क्वेश्चन कैन बी कम दैट इज यू कैन से व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन और व्हाट आर योर ओपिनियन. सेम थिंग गाइस, वही चीज़ पूछी जा रही है. उन्होंने आपको आपका ओपिनियन पूछा है या आपके मल्टीपल ओपिनियंस भी हो सकते हैं. दे आर आस्किंग यू in that manner. The third possibility can become in the question of guys, they can ask you, do you agree or disagree? So whatever the statement is given, कुछ भी statement आ सकती है that okay, it is better for student to live in the hostel rather than their homes. Do you agree or disagree? तो आपको स्टेटमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग चलना है कि अगर बच्चे हॉस्टल में ज़्यादा बेटर रहेंगे, अगर वो अपनी स्टडीज़ और रिसाइडिंग भी हॉस्टल में ही करते हो, तो अगर आप अग्री लिख सकते हो. ईदर यू कैन से नो, आई थिंक दैट home things are far better for the students rather than the hostel. So you can go with the disagree. So this is also a kind of a opinion based essay. The another possibility is that they can give you the question in the form of to what extent do you agree or disagree. Guys, चीज इसमें भी सेम ही है that they are asking your opinion, that how much, to what extent means. Yeah, now this is one of the query of my student that whenever they see this question, they always ask me, ma'am, what is the meaning of to what extent? Guys, to what extent का मतलब होता है कितना, किस हद तक. It means how much. Now, if I'll take the case of the previous question, like do you agree or disagree, that is more like a commanding question. अगर मैं do you agree or disagree की बात करूँ, उसमें guys हम दोनों sides को discuss नहीं कर सकते. It means हम दोनों sides के positive नहीं रख सकते. Either we have to choose only agree side or we have to choose the disagree part. But it is something different in the case of to what extent do you agree or disagree. Guys, in the to what extent question, it is your possibility, it is your mind that whatever you want to write. Either you want to discuss both the sides, you can go with the 50-50 choice. If you want to go for the partial situation, you can write more points of one side and less for the another one. अगर आप 100% भी जाना चाहते हो, for example guys, it's a very small trick for you. आप एग्जाम में हो, आपको टू व्हाट एक्सटेंड आ गया है, और नॉर्मली मैंने जब भी मेरे पास किसी और सेंटर से स्टूडेंट आते हैं, आई ऑलवेज आस्क देम ओके व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट ओवर हियर, एंड दे ऑलवेज से मैम इट्स टू व्हाट एक्सटेंड, हम यहाँ पे 70-30 ही जा सकते हैं. No guys, that's not any kind of a sure stuff that you need to go with the 70-30 always with the to what extent. See, understand the meaning of this question, that how much. Now see, अगर आप पेपर में बैठे हो, आपको 30% या आपको दूसरी साइड का पॉइंट नहीं आ रहा, now what you are going to do? Not obviously you are not going to play wrong. So in that case, understand the question. Question ने बोला है कितनी हद तक. अब वो आपकी हद है गाइज, आपकी पॉसिबिलिटी है. अगर आपको पेपर में 30% का पॉइंट नहीं आता, प्ले सेफ, आप सारा 100% भी राइट डाउन कर सकते हो. So this is a small, suggestion from my side. Don't play wrong, rather than, just go with the formatting. Just understand your question and write it down that. Another possibility of the question that can come is, guys, is it a positive or negative development? Again, they are asking you, is it? So you need to answer that according to your viewpoint, that whatever the statement is given, उसके according आपको बताना है कि yes, it has more advantages, like it has more positive side, और अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं, it has more drawbacks or it has drawbacks, आपको drawbacks बताने हैं. जो another type है, last type है guys, which I can consider in the case of opinion, that is the do you think advantages outweigh the disadvantages? अब एग्जामिनर आउटवे वर्ड को काफ़ी चीज़ों से रिप्लेस कर सकता है. यू नीड टू गो विद द, यू नीड टू फैमिलियर विद द सिनोनिम एज वेल, लाइक आउटवे. दे कैन इवन यूज मोर देन, दे कैन इवन यूज ओवरवे, ओवरकम. सो इट हैज़ द सेम मीनिंग, दैट आपको लगता है एडवांटेजेस ज़्यादा है डिसएडवांटेजेस से. सो दिस इज अगेन इन द केस ऑफ द opinion based. So these are some possibilities of question that can come under the type of opinion. Now guys, let's move to the another type of the task 2, which is the fact based essay, or we can say the factual based essays. Guys, factual, let's इससे familiar होते हैं that what is the meaning of fact. Even I told you earlier, fact means what is truth, what is proved, और क्या evidence है इस चीज़ का. Whatever it's going on, जो अभी प्रेजेंट में चल रहा है, जो चीज़ें हो रही हैं, उनको हमें सारा डिस्कस करना होता है फैक्ट में, विदाउट यूजिंग आवर ओन आइडियाज, विदाउट यूजिंग आवर ओन परसेप्शन। नो, हमें पूरा अवॉइड करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे अपने व्यू पॉइंट को। हमें सिर्फ उन्हीं चीज़ों को डिक्टेट करना होता है फैक्ट क्वेश्चन में, वट एवर इट्स गोइंग ऑन इन द वर्ल्ड. So this is all about that. Now let's start with the possibility of factual based question that can come in your exam. The first possibilities, guys, they can give you question like what are the advantage and disadvantage of any particular topic. For example, they can ask you what are the pros and cons of internet. So whatever people use the internet for, you need to mention that, and whatever they think ये इसके drawbacks हैं, ये इसके negative points हैं, you need to write it down that according to the people perspective, without not interfering your your ideas. Whatever it's going on, whatever you see in your surroundings, that people use it for this, businessmen are used for this purpose, government use internet for this, so you need to go with their point of views, not your own point of views. The another possibility can come in the factual based question is, guys, that is what are the causes and effects. For example, they can put you in the situation, okay, what are the causes and effects of pollution. So this is also like R means what is present, तो जो भी चल रहा है pollution के causes और उसके results आपको उस task में mention करने हैं. Again I'm repeating, without interfering your own viewpoints. The third and the last possibility that can come in the factual based question is, guys, like discuss. Yes, they can mention anything with this particular word, like discuss pros and cons, discuss causes and effects, discuss the problems, discuss the factors. So whatever they are asking you, you need to go with what is going on according to that specific topic. So this is all about the second type possibility of questions, that what can come or what examiner can put you in your paper regarding factual based questions. Let's move to the another and the last type of the task 2 is the combination. Yes guys, the word itself says it is a combination of two things. One is the opinion, another one is the fact. अब इन टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में गाइस हमें दोनों चीज़ों को लेकर चलना पड़ता है. हमें अपना ओपिनियन भी रखना पड़ेगा और हमें फैक्चुअल जो प्रेजेंट है उसके बारे में भी बात करनी पड़ेगी. सो लेट्स कम अप विद द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन कैन कम लाइक व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड सॉल्यूशन. See guys, what are the problems? That is what is going on. जो भी problems चल रही हैं आपको उसका एक paragraph बनाना पड़ेगा. And they are also demanding the solutions. So obviously guys, solution it's up to us. हमें अपना suggestion देनी है, अपना recommendation देना, तो that can come in the solution part. So see, problem will comes under the factual one and the solution will comes under the opinion one. So this is a kind of a combination you need to play with. Another type can come guys, that is what are the causes and effects and solution, or they can even throw you the possibility of what are the causes and solution. Even they can give you only solution kind of essay. Okay, what are your suggestions? That can even come under the category of opinion. Guys, even in this combination category, they also give you some kind of a two-way question. Like if there's a one statement over there and they will give you why, and then they'll ask you, is it a positive or negative development? So don't get confused. What you need to do, जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन दिखाई दे रहा है, जो जो चीज़ों की डिमांड क्वेश्चन में आई है, आपको सब कुछ फुलफिल करना है. Don't get confused. Whatever you think, okay, they are saying why, so it means they are demanding the reasons, and after that they are asking you, is it a positive? So you can make a different paragraph for either for the positive side or for the negative. Another possibility that they can give you in the combination, that is why and do you think advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Guys, again I'm saying don't get confused. Whatever you feel, whatever you are saying in your question, just trace it everything whatever they demand. So कुछ भी छोड़ के नहीं चलना. जो आपको चीज़ें लग रही हैं आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंग पैराग्राफ स्प्लिट करने हैं and you are good to go to crack your desired band score. And last but not the least, the combination possibility which is quite common, ये बहुत बार एग्जाम में आता है, that is discuss both views and your opinion. So guys, as per the question की डिमांड के अकॉर्डिंग उन्होंने आपको दो व्यूज डिस्कस करने के लिए कहा है और उसके बाद वो आपको ओपिनियन भी मांग रहा है. तो पहले तो आपको व्यूज के पॉजिटिव बता देने हैं, दैट दिस इज द पॉजिटिव ऑफ व्यू वन इन द वन पैराग्राफ एंड इन द अनदर पैराग्राफ यू कैन मेंशन द व्यू टू पॉजिटिव्स. एंड you can even make the third paragraph for your opinion, or you can do one more thing. आप conclusion में भी अपना opinion थ्रो कर सकते हो। इफ़ यू रियली फील लाइक ओके पेपर में टाइम कम जा रहा है, तो अब मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है थर्ड पैराग्राफ क्रिएट करने का, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज आप कंक्लूजन को ही वाइंड अप करते करते अपना ओपिनियन इसमें थ्रो कर सकते हो। सो गाइज, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन ओपिनियन एंड द फैक्चुअल। आई होप अब उन बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी जो कंफ्यूज ही रहते हैं मैम कितनी टाइप का क्वेश्चन आता है। गाइस, बॉदर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है हम हर एक टाइप के क्वेश्चन को याद करें, क्रैम करें। दिस इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट। द इम्पॉर्टेंट इज यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वट एवर एग्जामिनर इज डिमांडिंग, आई जस्ट नीड टू फुलफिल ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। जो भी एग्जामिनर ने आपको बोला है करने के लिए, अगर उसने वाई बोला, आपको रीजंस का पैराग्राफ बनाना पड़ेगा। अगर उसने आपको इसके साथ इज इट अ पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव बोला, आपको दोनों में से एक साइड का पैराग्राफ बनाना पड़ेगा। सो वट एवर यू अंडरस्टैंड, जो भी एग्जामिनर की डिमांड आई है क्वेश्चन में, आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपना राइटिंग टास्क को परफॉर्म करना है। आई एम डैम श्योर रिगार्डिंग दिस गाइज, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट दीज थिंग्स, दैट यू आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू crack your desired bands. So this is all about a mini lecture from us guys. I hope you are going to subscribe, like and comment our channel and going to share as much as possible. So here is Sheenam signing off.